Stick around and we'll get right to it. Hey, welcome back guys. Jason Kim for ACK. Today I'm out at the local park where we do our field day, and what I wanted to do was come over here and do a test and see if we had any sort of MeshCore coverage in this area. So I just brought a basic little node that I built as a repeater. I built this actually for last year's field day and was running Meshtastic on it. This year I'm going to be running MeshCore. I'll leave a link to the video where I built this, but it's just a Heltec board and I think a 2,000 or 3,000 milliamp hour battery. So by coming over ahead of time and kind of taking a look at it, I just want to see if we can get anything out. MeshCore is really growing in the area, but I have no idea if we're going to be able to get coverage here or not. This is on the exact opposite end of town from where I live. So I live on the north end of town. This is on the south end. Encouraging though that I did receive a couple of messages on my little WizMesh tag right after I rolled into the parking lot. So those things are not known for the best transmit, but they have really good receivers in them. You can only expect so much when you got a credit card size device. But I now have that repeater up at 30 feet. So let's see if we get any kind of response here. All right, so as you can see, we are in the MeshCore app, and I'm just going to go over to the weather channel and try sending a message and seeing if I get any sort of a response for the weather going out. So, oh, that's good. It was heard by 2 repeats. Let's take a look at that and see which repeats it heard. Oh, that's fantastic. I heard my field repeater, plus I heard the short mountain repeater. So, and we got a response to that message. So that tells me that by simply getting this repeater up at about 30 feet, we're going to be able to successfully get into our main MeshCore here. So that is fantastic news. All right, just wanted to bring you a quick video today of me doing a little bit of field testing ahead of Field Day 2026. If you found today's information helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up before we head off. We will see you guys on the next one. Until then, 7-3.